Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a detailed look at how to enable and disable the cutting process using the wizard. In this session, we will walk through the complete workflow step by step to clearly understand how the process is created, modified, and validated through simulation. We start by creating a FANUC machine for the cutting process. Once the machine setup is completed, we move on to defining the machining operation. Here, we select the required surfaces using the assistance option, which helps us accurately and efficiently choose the correct geometry for machining. After selecting the surfaces, the next step is to define the stock for the part, ensuring that the material boundaries are properly set before proceeding further. Once the stock is defined, we continue by selecting the entry motion for the contours, which plays an important role in controlling how the tool approaches the part during the cutting process. After configuring the entry motion, we move to the Wizard Quick Wire option, where we define key parameters such as the number of cuts required for the operation. After reviewing all the selected parameters, we confirm the wizard process to generate the cutting operation. Now, if at any point you need to enable or disable a cutting process, this can be done very easily. You can re-edit the wizard process, locate the required process in the process tree, and simply right-click on it. From there, you will have the option to enable or disable the process based on your requirement. This flexibility allows you to activate only the necessary operations while keeping others disabled, which is very useful for testing, validation, or process optimization. After selecting the required processes and confirming the wizard again, you can move on to the simulation, where you can visually verify the enabled operations and ensure everything is working as expected. This approach helps improve efficiency, reduces errors, and provides better control over the machining workflow. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, tips, and the latest software updates.